Alright guys, so we've done the evacuation. We've achieved our requirements of 5 microns. We've got our gauge back connected as well. The system is leak proof. We're busy charging our refrigerant in. So the refrigerant that we are busy charging in is 410. We're charging it in a liquid form, thereby that the system can operate sufficiently as well. We're going to reach our pressures that is required, and out of these pressures we would be able to determine that the system is working effectively as well. Due to the system had a leak, it could have been that the system was running for continuous hours and the compressor could have gotten hurt. If this is the case, we would only be able to pick it up later in its operation time. However, we can do a test on the electrical windings, which appeared as well that's in good order. However, other parts could have gotten hurt. So what would we do in a case by that the system has been fully functional, managed to commission the system? And what do we tell the client? In this case, it's very important that the client must understand that there is possibly compressor gotten hurt. It's internal. However, we cannot guarantee that the compressor would run for months or years. However, it could be that the compressor can run for a month and it fails, or it can run for years and then it fails. But in this case, we are not 100% sure, but we cannot state it to the client based on our findings. This means if the findings are not correct, we can have possible issues whereby the system is not functioning in its performance that is needed. We'll keep you updated as we go along. We are busy filling it up, as you can see. Once we've reached our pressures, we will have some discussions as well. This is one of the items that we need to have a look at, is providing everybody the opportunity to do installation. Secondly, of course, to charge the system up, and then thirdly, of course, fault finding. Speak to you now soon. Alright guys, we're back again. We're on the step ladder itself. We can see some, I hope you guys can see there's some frost formation that is taking place on the suction. So always our thicker pipe would be the suction and our smaller pipe would be the discharge. In other words, this is the liquid line, or the carrying line that carries liquid. This is the vapor line that carries vapor. That's why in 90% of the cases it's supposed to condensate. This is why we've got the Armoflex over to protect the system itself.